So this video is on alkenes, and alkynes. I'm going to start off with propene, which propene is this formula: 3 carbons and 8 hydrogens. Alkanes, propane, will have the formula C3H8, and the general formula, which you already know, is CnH2n plus 2. Because we have 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And so that's how you do that, and that's where you start. Now, there's all bunches of them. I'm not going to mess with them. You know them already. Let's start and look at an alkene. Okay, so for an alkene, I am going to remove 2 hydrogens from an alkane. If I remove 2 hydrogens in here, I'm going to have to make a bond here. I'll show you why in a second. Here's why I removed the 2 hydrogens down below here, and I only have 3 bonds on this carbon and 3 bonds on that one. And so in order to, carbon must have 4 bonds, so I removed 2 hydrogens. I got to put a bond in there. Now, if we talk about the bond angles on here, everything that has 4 bonds is 109.5 degrees. These carbons around here have 3 bonds, and so their bond angle is 120 degrees. This would be called propene, and it has the formula C3H6 because we removed these 2 hydrogens here, and so it has a general formula CnH2n. So if I had butene, it would look like this. This is one possible formula, and it would have the formula CnH2n. N is equal to 4, so it would be C4H8, okay? And so you look for those type formulas to identify alkenes on this. Let's do the alkyne now. So on the alkyne, I'm going to take and remove 2 more hydrogens. So it's a total of 4 hydrogens I've removed from my alkane. I removed these 2 right here, and now I'm removing these 2 right here, which would be those 2 up there, okay? And so I will end up with this structure. And again, I'm going to be short bonds here. I only got 4 electron groups here, 4 electron. I got to have 4 bonds on a carbon, so I put another bond in here. And that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, those are crappy bonds. There we go. 3 bonds in here, and each carbon will have a 4th bond. So we have 3 here, and we have 3 here. This is called an alkyne. It has the formula here is C3H4, and so we've removed 2 hydrogens, so we go CnH2n minus 2. Okay, that would be the general formula. They have a triple bond, and the bond angle around this triple bond should be 180 degrees. Okay, so recap: alkanes are CnH2n plus 2, and bond angles are 109.5. Alkenes are CnH2n. Bond angles are 120, about the double bonded carbons. And alkynes have the formula CnH2n minus 2, and their bond angle is 180 degrees, about the double bond or triple bond. So these have all single bonds. These will have a double bond, and these will have a triple bond. That's it.